everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Learnish channel, where learning English becomes super easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Michael. Hi, Emily. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Michael. A little busy, but very happy to be here. What about you?
I'm feeling amazing. And I'm excited because today we're teaching everyday English sentences that native speakers use all the time.
Yes, these sentences are simple, natural, and perfect for daily conversations.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. Learnish channel. Your support means a lot to us.
Thank you. Okay, shall we begin?
Absolutely. Let's do it. Part 1. Sentences we use when meeting people.
The first sentence is, how's it going? It means how are you, but more casual.
Yes, very friendly. Example, how's it going? It's going good, thanks.
Next one, nice to see you.
This is perfect when you meet someone after a long time. Example, nice to see you again.
And another very common one, take care. You use it when saying goodbye.
Yes, like, okay, see you tomorrow. Take care. It sounds warm and polite. Part 2. Sentences for daily life.
The next one is just a second, meaning wait for a moment.
Yes, like when you're busy. Just a second, I'm coming.
Another one is no worries. It means it's okay or don't stress.
Right. If someone says, sorry I'm late, you can reply, no worries, it's fine.
And a very useful one, that sounds good. You use it to agree with someone.
Example, let's eat pizza tonight. That sounds good. Part 3. Sentences for home and family.
First sentence, I'll do it later. We use this so many times.
Yes, especially when we don't want to clean our room. Example, can you wash the dishes? I'll do it later.
I'm on my way. This means you are coming or going somewhere.
Like, I'm on my way home.
And another important sentence, don't worry about it. Use it to make someone feel relaxed.
Yes. Example, thanks for helping me. Don't worry about it.
First one is hold on. It means wait for a moment on a call.
Yes. Example, hold on, I'm checking.
Next sentence, I'll text you, means you will send a message.
And another very natural one, send me the link.
We use that almost every day. Example, send me the link of that video. The first one, I'm not sure, when you don't have a clear answer.
Example, what time is the meeting? I'm not sure.
Next, I can't wait. This means you are very excited.
Example, I can't wait for the weekend.
And finally, that's amazing. Use this when something is great or surprising.
Yes, like, you passed your exam? That's amazing.
Wow, Michael, these were super useful everyday sentences.
Yes, and they are very easy for beginners too. If you practice them, your English will improve fast.
Exactly. So, dear listeners, please try to use at least 3 of these sentences today.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Also, tell us in the comments which sentence was your favorite.
Thank you so much for joining us. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.